ويعلمك متعة التعلم والمعرفة.
ست وثمانون
86.
86.
أسئلة الماضي اثنين.
Questions. Past tense 2.
Questions. Past tense 2.
أية ربطة عنق قد لبست؟
Which tie did you wear?
Which tie did you wear?
أية سيارة قد اشتريت؟
Which car did you buy?
Which car did you buy?
أية جريدة قد اشتركت بها؟
Which newspaper did you subscribe to?
Which newspaper did you subscribe to?
من رأيت؟
Who did you see?
Who did you see?
من قابلت؟
Who did you meet?
Who did you meet?
من الذي تعرفت عليه؟
Who did you recognize?
Who did you recognize?
متى نهضت من النوم؟
When did you get up?
When did you get up?
متى بدأت؟
When did you start?
When did you start?
متى انتهيت؟
When did you finish?
When did you finish?
لماذا استيقظت؟
Why did you wake up?
Why did you wake up?
لماذا أصبحت مدرسا؟
Why did you become a teacher?
Why did you become a teacher?
لماذا أخذت سيارة أجرة؟
Why did you take a taxi?
Why did you take a taxi?
من أين أتيت؟
Where did you come from?
Where did you come from?
إلى أين ذهبت؟
Where did you go?
Where did you go?
أين كنت؟
Where were you?
Where were you?
من ساعدت؟
Who did you help?
Who did you help?
إلى من كتبت؟
Who did you write to?
Who did you write to?
من جاوبت؟
Who did you reply to?
Who did you reply to?